Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create two different WhatsApp accounts on your phone. You know how to install two different WhatsApp accounts on your phone, or how to create two different WhatsApp accounts on your phone. And I'm not talking about having a WhatsApp account and a WhatsApp business account, because these are two different tabs, but I'm talking about how to have the same app, having it installed twice on your phone, and you can create different accounts for those two apps. So in this video I'll show you how to draw this WhatsApp account. This is my WhatsApp account. Maybe I want to also install another WhatsApp account on my phone. I also have two different WhatsApp on my phone. In this video I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is head over to settings. You go to settings, then you scroll down to apps. You click on apps, then go to dual apps. So you click on dual apps, then you can see you can dual any app. You can have two different accounts for any different app. So you can have two apps on your phone. So when you click on WhatsApp, you can click on this dual feature. So that will create two different WhatsApp accounts for you. So it's just as if you install two WhatsApp accounts on your phone. So when you go down, you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and I also have another WhatsApp account. So here is the WhatsApp account I've been using, and here is another different WhatsApp account that I can also add another account to the WhatsApp. So they just have to have two different WhatsApp accounts on your phone. So you use the dual feature on Android to to duplicate a WhatsApp account. So you have two different WhatsApp accounts installed on your phone right now. So everything you just have to do is just to go to settings, then look for applications, then you head over to dual apps. So you have the dual app feature, or you just have to search for dual app from your settings area right here, and it will take you directly to the dual app. And then you can also dual any application, not only even WhatsApp. So right now we've created dual app for WhatsApp, so we now have two different accounts for WhatsApp. Here is my primary account, and I can create another account right here for WhatsApp. So you just have to have two different accounts for WhatsApp, or you have to install two WhatsApp on your Android device. So that'll be all for this video. I hope you find the video helpful. My name is Victor Smith, and I'll see you in the next one.